Are you looking for a way to sleep comfortably while camping? The Cedar Mesa Cot from Klymit is an easy-to-assemble, durable cot with an intuitive and intelligent design that delivers a straightforward setup and takedown experience. A patent-pended easy lever lock system makes assembling and tensioning the cot easy. Made with a strong and durable 300D PU-backed polyester ripstop and an aluminum trapezoid structure, the cot provides optimal strength and support. Large, rounded feet help protect tent floors and keep your cot firmly in place. The cot's unique collapse and compact technology simplifies takedown by seamlessly folding the durable, oversized cot into the size of a small briefcase. Pair your Cedar Mesa Cot with one of Klymit's sleeping pads for even more elevated comfort. Use the gear pocket to access small tools and accessories. See you out there!